Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. This week I spent $46.19 for two people for 1 week, or $23.10 per person for the week. One thing you can do to save money is to learn to bake your own bread. I learned to bake bread when I was first married because my husband was in school and we didn't have a lot of money. The first several loaves I made didn't turn out so well, especially when I tried to make whole wheat bread. It didn't rise well, and it turned out pretty heavy. I remember throwing several loaves away because it wasn't very good. But I kept trying, and now I can make really good bread. This idea alone has saved me hundreds of dollars each year. If I buy freshly baked bread from a bakery, it would cost me $5 or more per loaf. You can buy bread from a grocery store, but it has preservatives in it, and it doesn't always taste as good as homemade bread. One of the simplest pleasures in life is smelling hot bread right out of the oven. I've learned to grind my own wheat and make all kinds of breads, rolls, muffins, tortillas, cinnamon rolls, coffee cakes, scones, etc. I have some great recipes, and that makes a difference. I can make bread for as low as 15 cents per loaf if I get the flour for a good price. About 2 years ago, I was able to get 50-pound bags of organic flour for $10 per bag, so I bought a couple of them, and we're still using them. So if you want to eat better and save money, find a recipe and try making some bread. You might find that you really like it. It takes time to develop a talent, so be patient if it doesn't turn out as well as you would like the first couple of times you make it. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.